Hey guys, welcome back to Charming Mommy Vlogs. If you saw this shirt already today, it's because you watched a video that I just got done filming, which was my I Love Coffee tag. If you haven't seen that video, definitely scroll back in my list of videos on my channel and take a look. If you're a mom to a sweetie patootie toddler like I am, then you know the struggle in trying to get fully ready and get somewhere on time on a schedule. So today's video is my everyday mommy makeup look, and I did spruce up the color just a bit. I would wear a more natural, pretty much nude tone on a regular basis, on an everyday basis, but I did do a little bit more to the eyeshadow. So I hope you like it, and let's get on into the video. Today's video will be my mommy makeup routine, because what mom doesn't want to put on makeup? But we are going to see if I can actually get through the video, because baby girl is kind of playful right now and everywhere because it is almost her nap time. So we're gonna do this video while my lighting is good. But let's just go ahead and jump into the video. It will be a basic, wearable, everyday, natural look. So first, I am going to start by applying some moisture to my face. And I just use this Garnier Skin Active. It is just a refreshing gel cream, and once you have cleaned your face, you start with a fresh face, of course, and you just put that on, kind of let it soak in, so that you have, I was gonna say a fresh palette, but so that you have so that you don't have to work as hard but don't get such a cakey look afterwards, which I shouldn't if I don't put on like a pound of makeup. But I like to put on a little bit of moisture before I put on any makeup, whether it be sunblock, moisturizer, gel cream, primer, any of that. But I don't think I have any primer right now. I think I have some, but it's super old, so I'm not putting that on my face. Now, first things first, you will be surprised that the majority of what I use is simply concealer. The concealer I use is MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NW40, and yeah, so I'm just gonna open that, and instead of getting super messy putting it on my fingers, I'm gonna put it on this teeny tiny little blender that I got from Burlington Coat Factory a while back, and I am just going to start by putting it up here, 3 dots. I'm gonna put 2 here, 2 here. Running out of concealer, so get a little bit more. Put a little bit more here, here, here. Kind of pat it into the places that you really... Hey, you get out of my makeup bag. You don't need that right now. You're beautiful. Trying to kind of pat it into the problem areas before I start to blend. Then I actually take my finger or a concealer brush and put it right here below the eyes like this. Not in a complete triangle, but just where kind of goes along the nape of your nose, if that's a thing. And then I just take my brush and pat it in. Instead of spreading it out, you want to pat it in. At least that's what I do. Pat it in, just like that. Okay. And then over here, same thing. Just pat it in. I don't know about y'all, but I really like it when the actual fine lines and that look of tiredness just disappears with the concealer. So I kind of try to keep the makeup in one spot and not just spread it all over. Okay, so now I'm just kind of gonna pat in the concealer in a few places. Baby girl, you will not be using makeup anytime soon. Okay. Now I'm just going to blend out the concealer on my forehead because I really honestly don't need much makeup, especially up there. Don't like it when my nose is too shiny. Just go ahead and dust my cheeks with it. And bring it down into like a triangle. But then drag it down the sides so that your neck is not necessarily a whole different color than your face. In case you are a shade or two lighter or darker due to this heat wave like we have in Texas. Because I went swimming a couple times this summer already, and wow, I could tell the difference in the mirror, okay? Yeah. So, mainly I just use the concealer. Thank you. Can I have that back? Oh, hold on. I'm actually going to be using a teeny tiny bit of, ooh, that's too much. I'm actually going to use the tiniest bit of concealer on my eye, my upper eye as well. Only because I cannot find my Urban Decay Primer Potion anywhere, and you know, that is not a go. I'm just going to try to disregard that and use my concealer. So, got the concealer on completely this time. And next, I am going to go ahead and start on my eyes. I'm just going to do maybe a little bit of a purple. So I'm using this Urban Decay Stray Dog, kind of a brownish color. You can see that. I'm just gonna use this random Real Techniques brush and tap it in there. And this, I'm just gonna go in the corners, and that's it. I really don't like to do much to the eyes. Just kind of put more of a shadow than anything. Okay. I don't know about my creases, you guys. For me, doing any type of eye makeup is literally a difficult task. I don't really put too much extra on my face. So I'm going to now take this LA Colors black color, this one right here, and I'm just going to take just a little bit, literally a little bit, and I'm going to put it on the edge here. Okay. Bring it inward, fan it out as much as possible because that's really dark. Wow, okay, so I'm almost done, and look what I found. I'm going to use this Essence purple in this smoky eye set. So I'm not exactly doing a smoky eye. I kind of want to go back and use my primer potion now. So I'm kind of patting product in because I do want this to last, you know, somewhat of the day. Then I'm going to go back with my concealer just over the very top so that there's no confusion here as to what is supposed to be part of this makeup look. Kind of just use my concealer to shape my eyebrows instead of trimming them every single day because they really don't need that much trimming. We are just going to go with the Skyrise NYC. So then last but not least, I do want to use the Brown Sugar Urban Decay highlighter. And I will just kind of brush that. Literally brush. Like, you're not even gonna be able to tell this is on my face. Just saying. But in the sun, it makes a difference. Just trust me. Last but not least, I'm gonna moisturize these lips. Y'all know chapstick is life. And then I'm just going to use my trusty lip gloss. I don't really do lipstick because I've usually either broken out afterwards or just not liked the shade and wiped it off immediately. There is one lipstick that I absolutely adore if I have to have a go-to lipstick, and it's just this random black essence one. And it's sort of a champagne color, but I'm not gonna use that today. I'm just using this. Doesn't even have a label on it anymore, but I just got it from some beauty supply a while back. And it's basically the color of my lips. It's just kind of brings them out, makes them pop. So that you don't have any reason to like kiss your baby on the forehead and leave a lip imprint. That is my mommy makeup look for the day. I will say my go-to eyeshadow is any shade of purple, any shade of brown, and my lip color is this. Anything related to this, but yeah, obviously I'm feeling myself now. Two things you can definitely tell by this makeup look is that number one, I do not do my eyebrows. Like, I don't put any product in them as far as brow stuff. And I also do not use foundation. I have foundation. Here it is right here. I use the MAC Match Master SPF foundation, SPF 15 in number 7. But I have to really be going somewhere if I'm putting foundation on. So on just like a normal, consistent, everyday basis, if I just wanted to throw some makeup on, I'd literally just use concealer because I mean, it does the job. It conceals. So, makeover, feeling myself. Hope you guys enjoy.